Welcome to a new tech solutions video. Today I will teach you how to change phone number on Amazon account. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first thing we need to do is log into our Amazon account, either through the browser or through our application. Once inside, we will click on the icon of the person and look for the option called View Entire Account. On the next screen, we will look for the security and login button, and now, where our phone number is displayed, we will click on Edit. Now we can write our new phone number that we want to affiliate to our account. Then press Continue, and that will take us to a confirmation to send a code to the number we just entered. If you press Accept, you will receive a code that will allow you to continue with the configuration, and that's it. You will have added a new phone number to your Amazon account. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next Tech Solutions video.